So booty be sweating, but we having fun. See that little jerk? That was because of quick shifter. I will say this quick shifter is a lot harder than the others. You really gotta press it. You really gotta want it. You really gotta get it. God damn, road, calm the hell down. God damn, it is hard. Alright, you little slut. Don't open for me. It's okay, I'll take a break anyways. Alright, so we got some rough training going on for Broly. Sorry that I'm at a loss for words, but I'm having so much fun. So that temperature outside is 68, which is accurate. And I'm not dressed for 68, I'm dressed for like 48 right now. So booty be sweating, but we having fun. Thank God we're having fun. I'm enjoying this life like crazy. I've been asked about like 1 month reviews and all that sorts of stuff. We will get reviews coming in a while. Alright, so you're not gonna open for me, but you can open for them. Alright, see how it is. Okay, do I gotta be closer, huh, Ben? Because there's no car here right now. Ooh, what that? Aston Martin? Can't see, because yes, Aston Martin. I'm good, man. I am good. So I'm guessing unless there's a car behind us, this will not open. Finally, there's a car behind us, so it would have finally opened. It's kind of messed up. You know what? I should have just ran it. I thought it would open. I had a memory of it opening. So we're gonna see how much protein she takes, and after how long does she need that protein? How long of a workout can she have, and then be desiring that protein? Okay, calm down, dog. She is thirsty for that protein. Don't worry, we're still in the correct limits of our anabolic window. Gonna take her right up front. Right her, lick your lip. When you're talking, that thing make me stir. Cause I like the way you do that right there. There you go. Take this bad boy out. Bad boy right here. Hell no, I don't want a car wash today. Do I look like a freaking car to you? Racist. Saggy butt, gross. She real thirsty today, huh? Come on, girl. Drink up. She had a really good workout. Oh, I can feel. It's all of a sudden getting cold on my thighs. Is that the fuel? Is gas even cold, or is it usually put in hot? I'm thinking it's cold. Ooh, I can feel something though. Alright, let's hit it all the way to 1190. Let's go to 1197. For some reason that number reminds me of something. I don't know what though. That was my fault. Yeah, we gotta clean this. My bad, baby. She was thirsty for that protein, though. Not my fault. Not my fault at all. But hey, we're able to clean, right? It's okay. I'm sorry. Next time we hear the little click, we're gonna stop. I thought she was thirsty, that's why. Me sorry. We didn't mean it. We love you more than anything, okay, baby Bill? Baby Broly Bill. That's my baby talk right there. For some reason, you need this to close, which I don't like. But I understand why. I don't, but I can't say I don't understand why. Because then you guys will think I'm an idiot. And I'm not. I'm not an idiot. I'm not. Let's get the hell out of here. First, let's see how much protein she took in today. Or how long did she go? Her workout was for... Workout was 91. Yeah, see, we're slowly coming up on our miles. I don't know why, but we slowly are. Alright. A lot more riding left to do. A towel, I got a towel, homie. That dude was staring hard. Dude in the KTM, what's up, man? Because not only do you see the bike Broly, you see the dude riding Broly, the homie. And he was like, yeah, baby, I want that. I need that in my life. I wouldn't be surprised if he actually popped a Yui and come said hi, because he wants to be friends with someone like me. Or he heard the bike, she growls, she rumbles, she moans. Yeah, is gas, aka protein, cold or not? All of a sudden my thighs feel really nice. I'm thinking it's because of that. lot of dead flies on my visor. Haha, we had a lot of fun, huh? When you're riding, you don't notice them because your eyes outfocus the visor and it focuses on the road. But now when you pay attention, you're going slow, you're not exactly 100% hyper-focused on the visor. I thought I was gonna sneeze instead of yawn. But yeah, if it's not hyper-focused, then I'm trying to notice it like crazy. All these little dots on the road. Haha, that's cool. I gotta figure out, oh, my Dragon Balls. I gotta figure out how do you clean mirrored visors. So if any of you guys know how to clean mirrored visors, let me know via comments below or DM me. I need to figure out what's the best way to clean it without scratching it, because I'm gonna have to scrub these bugs off of the visor right now. La cre cre.
Yes, let's go, Mario.
I don't even know what Mario sounds like, but whatever I just said, that's how he sounds like. Oh my, oh, balls of a dragon. God damn. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 caros. Is that how you say cars? Caros? Oh. Dude. That was a wide turn, homie. Man, I don't want to be, I don't mind being behind traffic. I don't want to be behind. Oh. Thank you. I first thought he was turning, but he was just being nice to me, and I was about to roast him. That's the same thing I would have done, and I would have let the rider go, but I would have put my hand out and told him go up ahead, like go like that. But better communication, because you never know, maybe he was turning right and then he switched his mind and he gets hurt, he swerves back into the lane. Guess who's in the lane? Me. Guess who gets hurt? A baby, because I'm a baby. And baby Broly. Baby Broly. Alright, some cars are turning to the right, some aren't. Hey dude, you in the center, go right. Damn it. Alright, so we're about to call it a day, because today, like I said, is a work day. So around this time, starting now, is gonna get a lot of traffic. People coming home from work, especially because it's a Friday. A lot of people leave early on a Friday. So we're gonna get hit with a lot of traffic. So we're gonna take it nice, we're gonna take it slow. So we're gonna head on home. Couldn't tell she was hot. A lot of hair though. Hoping it's from her head, not her face. I mean, I want to tell you so many stories from my work, but I can't tell you stories from my current work until I'm at my next job. Once I'm at my next job, then I can tell you stuff about my previous job, because I got stories off the butt, man. I want to roast people like crazy and tell you how dumb people are, man. How dumb people are. Man, she sounds so different each gear. I was like, so good, so good, so good. A different rumble, different grumble. Alright, we lost another one. Homie, if you can get that F out the way, don't break. Good. Keep going, you'll make it, don't worry. There's no point in cutting in front, there's a lot of cars. There's only cut in front right here. Vroom, vroom. You saw that dude? He didn't give me a wave, he just like put his hand out there. And he was like, that's enough. That enough, that enough, that enough. I accidentally went over the white line, but there's a car behind me. So I don't want to think that I'm a bad rider. I'm just keeping to this white line right here. So now I have to stay here for a good majority of the time, so he'll know that, oh, he wasn't crossing lines because he's an idiot. He's actually riding in that formation. Why are you braking? Why are you braking? Legit, no one in front of you for a long while, man. Why are you braking? Why are you braking again? Oh my god, you know how much that hurts me to my core? Why? Why? Go up his butt, the car in front of you, and then brake, I understand. Oh, you shit, you're getting scared because you're Brody. I want to take the brake light off of his car and show up his butt. Oh, she's so loud and sexy. Schmexy. My broly is schmexy and she knows it. Man, I love making videos for you guys. I don't know why I just had that thought. I wish I had a thought. Get it? T-H-O-T. Thought. Where did that word originate from? I really want to know. What was somebody's thought process when they were thinking of the word thought? Get it? I thank you, because I thunk you. What's that line from Lil Wayne when he was a ludicrous? I think I know, I think I thought. Yeah, it's that song. What's that song? It's from Something of a Mind, Theater of a Mind, or something like that. album of Ludacris, and Lil Wayne's on one of the albums. He's like, I think I know, I thought I know, something like that. If I could just grab one lyric and rap it to you, because it's Wayne. I know all Wayne stuff. I'm trying to think, man. Give me a minute. Like a quarterback, I got a hard back. Like a quarterback, I got that heart attack. Something cardiac. I think I had a thought, man. I think I had a thought. I keep thinking of thinking of thoughts. I keep thinking about that. I pumped that something. Yeah, I got that hard back. Soldiers call me little heart attack. Well, how can I not remember this? If there's anybody who knows all the lines of Tunechi's song, it's me. Trust me. New songs used to come out, and I can know exactly what the next line is gonna be just because of the way he raps. The way I rap is very close to Tunechi's way. Tunechi's style, Lil Wayne style. Now how did he think of that? I mean, how did he think of that? I mean, how did I think of that? I'm like a rental, bring it back. What was it? I almost got it. How did I thought of that? I mean, how did I think of that? I mean, how did I thought of that? I mean, how did he think of that? I mean, how did I think of that? I'm like a rental, bring it back. Soldiers call me little Carter, a little cardiac. Precious like an artifact, valuable like a quarterback. Something like that. Well, you get the thought. You get the idea. You get the idea, Homer. Now, how did he thought of that? I mean, how did he think of that? I mean, how did I think of that? I'm like a rental, bring it back. I almost have it. It's hard to do it, man. I'm rapping, thinking of rapping, and riding Broly at the same damn time. Yeah, that's a 69. Pass it to my slime. I'm skating and rapping at the same damn time. God, I want to listen to Tunechi so bad right now.